Hi everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you to a knit stitch for beginners. This new stitch has two patterns, a raised background stitch on the right side and a fine grainy texture on the wrong. This pattern is easy to knit in the round. I'll show you how towards the end of the video. The skein consists of 2 loops and 2 rows, repeated with an offset of 1 loop. We start with an even number of loops on the wrong side. The first row is on the wrong side. Slip the edge loop first. Then knit 1 loop from the bottom row and slip 1. The thread is at the back. Again, knit 1 loop from the bottom row and slip 1. Knit 1 loop from the bottom row and slip 1. The second row is on the right side. After the edge loop, knit all the stitches to the end of the row. The third row is on the wrong side. Slip the edge loop first. Then slip 1 loop, with thread at the back, and knit 1 loop from the bottom row. Slip 1 loop, and knit 1 loop from the bottom row. The fourth row is on the right side. After the edge loop, knit all the stitches to the end of the row. If you're knitting in the round, work the first and third rows on the right side and knit as follows. The first row. Purl 1 loop from the bottom row and slip 1. The thread is in front. Purl 1 loop from the bottom row and slip 1. Purl 1 loop from the bottom row and slip 1. The third row. Slip 1 with a thread in front and purl 1 from the bottom row. This double-sided knit is perfect for children's and baby clothes with its soft texture and sturdy structure, making it more durable after multiple washes. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Not Space shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.